They don't even follow their own fucking codes. They just take property and profit off it all day because the slaves don't know and don't care, and they just pay the fee.
So yeah, let's say you're driving it. What about like if you're drinking and driving, which I know you should not be
I
doing.
wouldn't do that. I wouldn't
Right,
do
right.
that because I don't
Let's say
drink because
someone is hold on, but let's say someone's following what you're saying, they're to a T, and they're out one night, they're drinking, they're driving, they get in a bad accident. Then what? What are they liable for? What happens there? Like what?
yeah, you're at the whim of the court, man.
Okay.
If you want to drive around drunk and you want to cause
Okay.
harm to other people, you're at the whim of the court. You know
Well,
why?
that you
Because
could say the
nine
same for
times,
speeding, though. You could say the same for speeding.
nah, you can't. You can't because I can determine with my regular faculties how fast I could take my property from point A to point B without causing harm. If you take in a substance that very well you know is going to impede your ability to take that property safely and responsibly to point A to point B, very rarely is it somebody who's drunk and was controlling the car correctly and making the proper decisions and just happened to get into an accident, right? There's a fine line there. Again, we go back to the philosophy. Was this person demonstrating a threat? Can someone somewhere with a witness prove that this person was out of their proper faculties? Someone who had one glass of wine and drove home and wasn't, intoxicated is a different kind of a situation, right? But see, that's the thing. I'm not in favor of letting people do whatever they want to do because we're already in this position because folks don't know right from wrong, are irresponsible, not able to respond correctly to life, and unaccountable. They respond incorrectly or they react and then don't account for their mistakes. They come into court, let another man represent them, and don't understand what true accountability and honorability is. You stand on what you do. So you want to get drunk and you want to ride around and you wind up causing harm to somebody, better come right in there like a man and say, yeah, I had 6 fucking beers and I hit somebody and I believe I have a right to do that, and watch what they're going to do to your ass. And well, they should, because you don't have a right to cause loss, injury, and harm to somebody.